If we cross on the 4-hour candlestick chart on the MACD, we could be starting to go up again, following the current trend line, which is drawn right around here. The people who are long on Senseonics, guys, I think that these prices are very solid because we are not at the all-time high of $5.76. No, we are sitting at $3.40 and we are under the 50 moving average line. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Before I start, guys, I just want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to the channel because 2 days ago we surpassed 1,000 subs, guys. That's just so amazing. We are doing so good on the channel. So I just want to thank all of you who for the people who subscribe to the channel and drop the like down below. I really appreciate you guys' support, and I will be keeping you up to date with the biggest growth stocks in the upcoming future, guys, because on this channel we do nothing else but technical analysis, guys. I look at different growth stocks such as NEO, Palantir. We also are covering currently Zomedica, Tonix Pharmaceuticals, and also right now Senseonics, which I think is a very good company. In my previous video, guys, we looked at Senseonics past stock performance because Senseonics has been having a very big bull run in the past couple of weeks. We also have looked at a quick overview about the company, what the company actually does. So if you want to see a big in-depth analysis of Senseonics fundamentals, make sure to check my previous video because in that video I go all the way down to the institutional ownership, and we also look at the stock price prediction for Senseonics. But today, guys, I will be covering two brand new articles that have been published about Senseonics. The first one is a brand new patent. So yes, Senseonics has issued a patent yesterday, and we will be covering that. And after that, guys, we will also be talking about the new conference event that Senseonics will be joining. And that will be on the 9th of March. If you want to see a lot more stock price predictions, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below because we'll be doing a lot more stock price predictions based on technical analysis, and I want to keep you guys up to date about Senseonics. So guys, we talked in my previous video about Senseonics. Senseonics is a medical device company. So right now they are working on their current product, which is a Eversense CGM, so short term for the continuous glucose monitoring system. CGM is basically very important for type 1 and type 2 diabetes patients. We also looked at CGM's big growth potential because right now Senseonics is the only manufacturer in the world who has a CGM device that can last up to 90 days, guys, compared to their competitor, which is Dexcom. Dexcom's devices only last up to 10 days, so Senseonics is having the upper hand. But keep in mind, guys, this company is burning to a lot of cash right now. When I look at their financials, Senseonics needs to have a stock offering. They basically need to make more capital in order to maintain their cash burn rate because right now they're doing a lot of R&D and research on their CGM devices, but they are running low on cash, guys. So we have to be careful, always be careful with penny stocks. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you want to invest in this company, do your due diligence, guys. Do your research. You can watch my videos. You can watch the subreddit of Senseonics. Do your thorough due diligence because this is a penny stock. At the end of the day, they have a market cap of around $1.3 billion. But still, guys, do your research because it's really important if you want to be successful in the stock market. Alright, guys, so just about the patent, guys. So on March the 2nd, Senseonics has issued a patent, and this patent is titled Integrated Optical System with Low Sensitivity to High Angle of Incidence Light for an Analyte Sensor. You can read the full description of the patent in the comment section down below. I will be dropping it in the comment section, and if you want to read the full explanation about the patent, you can read that in the comment section down below. I will also be providing a link to the patent, and you can check the patent for yourself. Do your own research, your own DD on the patent if you want to go further in on the patent itself. So Senseonics has also announced a new conference which will be planned on March the 9th. Senseonics will be participating. Hey guys, so here we are at today's candlestick chart for Senseonics stock. So looking at the stock price today, we are sitting at $3.41. We are up over 3.5% on a day alone. So when we look at the previous price movements, I predicted that Senseonics would be having a breakout looking at the current trend line. So we had an all-time high of $5.76 right around here, which was on the 17th of February. So when we look at the previous price movements, we were having a bearish channel all the way down to this point where we had a bounce back, because like I mentioned in my previous video, the support for Senseonics is sitting around the $3.25, and that is because our previous all-time high was the $3.50, and I picked a spot below that. So when we look at the $3.25, we can see multiple support levels after the dip. So I think that Senseonics will be holding onto the $3 mark pretty solidly, because you can see that we had a green candlestick today. So this is very good, guys. So we also know that the markets are down. So in the last 2 weeks, we had a correction of around 30%, and it was weighing in on the stock. So every single ticker, guys, is having a correction. So keep that in mind when we're looking at Senseonics today. It's up over 4%. That's amazing, guys, because that could be also in anticipation of the earnings on the 4th of March. But of course, I'm pretty sure that it has something to do with the patent announcement and also the conference release that they will be joining. Okay guys, so right now we are on the 4-hour candlestick chart of the stock. So you can see right now we are pretty neutral on the RSI, because we were almost oversold around this section when we had the pullback all the way down to the $3.25. But when we look at the MACD, guys, this is where the interesting stuff comes up. So look at the MACD, guys. We are about to cross on the MACD. This section right around here was the bearish sentiment, the correction. If we cross on the 4-hour candlestick chart on the MACD, we could be starting to go up again, following the current trend line, which is drawn right around here. The people who are long on Senseonics, guys, I think that these prices are very solid, because we are not at the all-time high of $5.76. No, we are sitting at $3.40, and we are under the 50 moving average line. So the yellow line right around here is the 50 moving average, and if you can get a price around this section, this is a very good value for the dollar. So if you are long on the stock and if you want to get a position into Senseonics, I think these prices are really solid if you want to hold this stock for a couple of years, in my opinion. Alright guys, so this was my quick technical analysis on Senseonics stock. As you guys can see, we did bounce off the $3.25 support level today, and we are in a bullish movement. We are up 4% today, and that is amazing in my opinion, even though we are in a correction period for the general stock market. So we can also see on the 4-hour candlestick chart, we are about to cross on the MACD, and I think once we cross on the MACD, Senseonics could be moving up again to the $4 range, and that could be very bullish in my opinion. If you want to see a lot more technical analysis on Senseonics stock, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below. Alright guys, that was my video for Senseonics for today. So we can look at the technical analysis, and we can see that Senseonics is trying to break out of the bearish movement that we had for the past 2 weeks. And if they manage to break out, because when I looked at the 4-hour candlestick chart, we were crossing on the MACD. So that is really bullish in my opinion. And let's hope that Senseonics will be recovering from the bearish movement and go to brand new all-time highs, because I think that this company has some real potential if they succeed to sell their Eversense CGM machines on the long run. But keep in mind guys, this is a penny stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time guys. Peace out.